Hey guys, so today I decided I'm going to be showing you a video today going over what it's like behind the scenes on a regular day at the salon. I usually like to do no more than 3 clients and I like to have a good balance. So if you want to see the behind the scenes of a day at the salon, then keep watching. Also let me know down below if you want to see one of these a week. I'm also going to start posting more and more for you guys. I'm going to be posting 2 to 3 times a week. In a couple of weeks it will begin where I do 3 videos a week. So if you're ready for it, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. Get ready for it because I have a lot of crazy, great, amazing videos coming of all different variety, and I want to know what you guys want to see, so don't be scared to yell it out in the comments down below. I don't care if it's vlogging, lifestyle, hauls, everything. Obviously tutorials because I built my base around hair. I'll always have a tutorial video at least once a week, but I want to expand and give you guys different kinds of variety. So without further ado, let's move on into today's video that was shot yesterday. So today I'll be showing my entire day at the salon. Today we have 3 clients and the day is filled with 3 different techniques. Client number 1, I've been doing her hair since beauty school a couple of years ago. We do a partial highlight on her every 10 to 12 months, and every 2 to 3 she comes in for maintenance. For her root touch-up, I'll be using Goldwell's permanent line Topchic 7NN with 20 volume. Once that is applied, I let her process for about 35 to 40 minutes and then mix up her all-over toner.
Where the only focus is me and weightless, got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams, I'm ready to take the leap, cause I've been holding back in all stars.
For her all-over toner, I always use shades EQ 7CB, 7CC, and 8C. Once she's toned, we will shampoo, condition, then blow her out, and once we're done, I dust her ends off. In and out 2 hours tops every single time. I don't really have many gray coverage clients, just a little more than a handful. I am not a huge fan of permanent color, as you guys know. I do prefer clients to go lighter and blend with the gray, but some clients like their roots touched up. So client number 2 is a half baby light retouch today. We never do a full on her. She's one of the clients who prefer contrast and dark underneath. She came to me several months ago and she was a bleach and tone with several bands and tons of orange banding all throughout her entire head. We did a color correction on her first session, changing her over to baby lights, which are way healthier. She was scared of a root shadow, but now she loves it. However, she still comes every 3 to 4 weeks. Guys, I know, I kid you not, her regrowth is only 3 weeks old. Crazy regrowth, but no complaints on our end. When I do a highlight retouch, I just focus on the new regrowth and kick the ends that are already blonde enough out of the foil. I then fold it up. She already is a level 10. There's no reason to overlap. That would just be ruining her hair for no reason and ignorant on my behalf. If forever you see me overlapping blonde or it appears that way, the only time I will run through the ends is if there's any darker spots or any remaining bands. Reason being is because if I just touch up the root, there's a dark spot that I let sit there and I don't catch it, the next session is just going to end up looking beautiful and blonde. Then you'll see dark spots in the middle and then blonde again. So you got to get those dark spots out. Once I finished foiling, she processed for almost an hour. She is very dark, a level 3 naturally who does not lift easily. Once we shampooed her, I root shadowed her with my favorite root shadow formula ever, which you guys know is Goldwell Colorants 7N 7NA. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then I toned her all over with Colorants 10V, 10P, 10BS, one of my favorite bright white blonde formulas. The finished results, guys. Yeah, it's gorgeous. All right, on to my third and final client of the day. This is her second session with me. She was blonde for a little in the past and then went back to black, true level 1 black dye, you guys. Our first session was a major color correction. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably followed that on my stories. And we discovered a 2-inch band right in her mid area. So I did a great job blending and covering that up. It's been several weeks and her color has faded gracefully. Today we're going to do another tightly packed full baby light and kick through the remainder of this band, which is a pain in my rear end. Once I checked her foils, I did then notice the band was still there and not wanting to budge. It was a total head scratcher, but I got to the bottom of it. Come to find out, for 2 or 3 sessions last year, her prior stylist used permanent color and overlapped it. Guys, I kid you not, this is why permanent color is my last option. For me, really only if requested by clients will I ever use it.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call, I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault, I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. The away list got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams, I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding that in your stuff.
Remember, she had a band. It's still a little band there, but it's going to be beautiful. Yeah, we'll definitely be a lot lighter today. So as we do more and more full highlight sessions, we will eventually kick through that band, and it eventually will be forced out. I did Redken Shades EQ 5N, 5NA, while Olaplex number 2 is on her mids and ends. I applied a mids toner today as well for the band that's in between that mid area, and that was Shades EQ 6T, 7T. Once the root and mids were on, I combed through both of them together for seamless blending. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Can you believe this? After that band, where's the band? Can you find it? It's like, where's Waldo? We did 5N, 5NA, Shades EQ on the root, about an inch or 2. Went into 6T, 7T on the mids and brought it down through the band. And on the ends, I did 9V, 9B, 9NW. 9G. And this is what we came out with. It's gorgeous. Let's turn her around in the ring light, shall we? Who's ready for this? Let's see what it looks like. Ready? Oh yeah. It's gorgeous. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the description box. We're obsessed. Obviously, it's like 11 o'clock at night, so we're not gonna get daylight. But look how beautiful this looks. I'm gonna post some photos right here at the end of the video. You probably already know what I'm gonna say. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the salon vlog, a day in the life at the salon. If this is something you wanna see all the time, let me know and I'll do one a week. So it gives you an idea of like multiple of what's going on and not just one person focused on all the time. Because I usually have sometimes a whole bunch going on throughout the day. All right guys, as always, so long for now.